In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email aliases in Zoho Mail. An email alias is an additional address that delivers to the same mailbox, which is perfect for roles like info or support, or for giving someone a cleaner, shorter address without creating a new account. We'll go from logging in to confirming that the alias is active, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way. First, open a browser and go to mailadmin.zoho.com. Sign in using an account with administrator privileges for your organization. If you have multiple portals, make sure you're in the right one before proceeding, because aliases are unique within each organization and need to be managed in the correct admin console. Once you're in, look to the left panel and click Users. This page lists all user accounts. Select the user you want to add an alias for. Keep in mind that the alias you create will deliver messages to this user's existing mailbox. It's not a separate inbox and it can't be used to log in on its own. On the user's detail page, find and click Mailbox Settings. This is where you manage address-related options for that specific account. Then choose Email Alias. You're now in the right place to add, view, or remove aliases attached to the selected user. Click the Add or Plus button to create a new alias. Type the alias username, which is just the part before the @ symbol. Keep it simple, clear, and easy to spell. If your organization has multiple verified domains in Zoho Mail, you'll see a domain drop-down. Pick the domain you want this alias to use. A quick tip: you can't reuse an address that's already assigned anywhere in your org, whether as a primary address or another alias, so choose something unique. When you're happy with the alias, click Add to save it. You should now see the new alias listed under the user's email addresses. Most aliases become active quickly, but allow a minute or two for changes to apply. If you want to confirm, send a test message to the alias from an external account and check that it lands in the user's inbox. Remember, the alias will receive mail. To send from that alias, the user may need to choose the alias in their From address or adjust their mail settings, depending on plan and permissions. That's it. You've successfully created an email alias in Zoho Mail. You can return to this page anytime to add more aliases or remove ones you no longer need.